The hole, like the size of the hole of the pump. After that, put tape on. Then after that, start pumping, and it works.
It works?
Yeah. Let's try.
Okay, where's the pump?
I don't know.
It's not here.
Where is it?
I think someone did borrow my pump and I gave it to them. They wanted to borrow it
For what?
for half a century maybe.
How many days?
Half a century.
Have a century.
Yeah.
It takes for weeks.
That's right. that's I love that. Oh my God. It takes weeks, Zach? Zach, be careful, Bubba.
Why did not brought it back?
Because it takes half a century to move it back.
How? 100 minutes?
Yeah, 110 minutes probably.
That's a 100,000.
That is right.
Let's pay it for your mama.
Hmm?
Let's pay it for your mama.
Mm-hmm.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Okay.
Why nobody want to go outside?
You finished
Don't
that?
get your mommy, Davy. I'm not finished. Whew. Why is...
Excuse me, what are you doing? Don't go there, Sarah.
Wait. Look.
Okay? I love you, Bubba.
It's a big sissy. Nope. Okay. Baba, how you press record?
Hmm?
How you press record? How you press record? Hey, be quiet. Say cheese.
Cheese.
I want coffee. And take coffee smell good. Record this video. Just record it.
Okay.
Baba,
You wanna
I
sit
want
here?
to play Club Penguins. You're not gonna play Club Penguins. I want to play Club Penguins now. Come on. I want to play Club Penguins.
Wait. Look here for a few minutes, Zachariah. Look here.
Hey, give me
We want
the
to take
brush.
we're going to make a movie.
Hello,
Bring your head here.
hello,
Zach.
hello, hello. Bello,
Yeah.
beep-a,
Who is that?
Ooh.
Sarah, Zachariah, and who?
And crazy. Baba. Give me the brush. Give me.
Okay.
Photo.
Huh?
Why doesn't work?
It doesn't work because you have to stop this recording first.